Hi guys, in this video I am gonna to teach you how to make salad verte with croutons. So let's get started. First of all I will show the ingredients list. The ingredients are, for the croutons, 1/2 large baguette or 1 small baguette, torn into bite-sized pieces, 1 teaspoon dried mixed herbs, 2 tablespoons olive oil. For the vinaigrette, 1 garlic clove, crushed, 1 teaspoon English or French mustard, 1 teaspoon red wine vinegar, 4 tablespoons olive oil, salt and freshly ground black pepper. For the salad, 2 lettuces, e.g. romaine, little gem or butterhead, torn into small pieces, handful of salad leaves, e.g. watercress, rocket or baby spinach, handful of soft fresh herbs, e.g. chervil, tarragon, parsley or chives, roughly chopped or torn. Now the method is: Step 1. Preheat the oven to 190 C, 170 C fan, gas 5. Step 2. Put the bread on a baking tray and sprinkle with the dried herbs. Drizzle the oil over the bread and bake for 10 minutes, or until crunchy and golden brown. Step 3. To make the vinaigrette, put all of the ingredients into a jam jar. Tightly screw the lid on and shake well until combined. Step 4. To make the salad, put all the ingredients in a large bowl. Top with the croutons and drizzle over a little of the vinaigrette. Any remaining vinaigrette can be kept in the fridge for up to a week. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.